Hey there, we are talking about types of persuasive speeches, and we're taking a look at questions. Okay, I've got a question for you. Question of value, another type of persuasive speech, something else you might want to take a look at. If you want to write a persuasive speech about question of value, these are the kinds of things that you're going to take a look at. Is it good or is it bad? Good, bad. Is it moral or immoral? Is it just or unjust? These are the things that you question in a question of value speech. Now, I can give you a couple of examples. Just, unjust. It has been proven that IQ tests are biased. Okay? That could be your persuasive speech. You want to prove to me that IQ tests are biased. They are unjust. This is also question of value where your big, I call them hot button ticket items come in. Abortion. Moral, immoral. Death penalty. Moral, immoral. Good, bad. Okay? So if you want to approach some of those really sticky topics, you're probably going to be looking at doing a question of value speech. There you go.